guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie's. As you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a baking video. Since I love to bake, so I said why not do a baking video. I'm going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies, and I will link the recipe down in the description. I'll type it down in the description. Yeah. So you guys can go ahead and bake that recipe too. Yeah. Now let's get on with the video. Some tea.
It's lovely.
It's hot. But we're going to wash our hands. We can't make nothing with dirty fingers or dirty hands. I'm going to try our hands. Oh, I'm going to show you the items that I have to bake. So we have the baking paper, we have the cups, the cooking pan. You can see that it's warm, it's like a bake a lot. And I also have the teaspoon measuring thing and the bowl to measure out. What you call this again? The sieve and my bowls to bake it. Oh, and if you guys want these same baking items, I can make them for you too, or you can comment down below and say you want the link. Now that I've shown you guys the items that I'll be used baking, that's all right here.
No.
Okay, skip that. This is my recipe book. Yes, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I write down the ingredients for the cookie, the Snickerdoodle cookies. So I need 1 stick of butter. I don't have 1 stick of butter, but I have this butter, and I'm going to put it in this one. To put it in this bowl. Hope this is enough. Hope this is enough butter. Okay. And I'm going to use this same measuring cup. This is a half a cup. I'm going to use this measuring cup for the white sugar, because it said I need white sugar. You need some white sugar. Here it is. I think I should be showing you guys what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. Now I'm going to get some brown sugar. And I'm going to get some brown sugar in this cup. Got me some brown sugar. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to add 1 egg. And now I'm going to mix, but I'm going to wash my hands first. Go for something to mix with. I'm going to use this to mix. And then we're going to add, it says 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I have my vanilla. So I found 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix it. Then we're going to add our flour. Now we are going to add a pinch of salt. And we're going to mix. And then we're going to add some baking soda. Baking soda. Now that's done, we're going to combine it together. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator for a bit. What is this? Oh, part of the egg. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill.
Mr. Telephone Man, there's something wrong with my life. When I dial my baby's number, I get a click every time.
Okay, now I'm going to wash this stuff. Wash them. Okay, so for the mixture, we're going to roll the dough, the cookie dough in. We're going to need cinnamon powder and white sugar. I'm going to scoop. You don't need any measurement for this, but you just scoop up as many you want in here. So this is what I have. Then I'm going to get some cinnamon powder. Yeah. I'm going to sprinkle some in there. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. It smells really good. Okay, so we're finished with that part. All we have to do is just wait for the cookies to get cold. Okay, so now that the dough has been chilling for some time, now we're going to take it out and then we're going to preheat the oven to 375. So I'm going for the dough. Who's the baker?
That would be me.
Who's the baker? It's me. I'm the baker, like the father. I am the baker. I'm going to taste it. That tastes good. That tastes good. Yes, that tastes good. I'm going to use this ice cream looking scooper. These are the cookies. I'm putting them on the sheet.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun. I gotta be good.
Nah, I forgot.
They told me to be good in that.
I'm out this
They
bitch.
told me to be good
Pow!
in that.